How to change the border and the orientation. To change the orientation, you need to press the page layout. After you press it, press the orientation. After you press it, you can choose when you want it landscape or to portrait. Example, you want it landscape, then click the landscape.
Go.
After you press the landscape, it will automatically change. The document area will become landscape, and that's how to change the orientation. To change the orientation, you need to click and hold this, and you can choose what if the margin you want is long or short. If you want it long, then put it in a long, and then release. And after you release, it will automatically change the border of the bond paper. And that's how to change the border.